welcome back, guys. So somehow I'll keep track of how many parts or what part we're on, but regardless of that, and I understand those other two videos will be shorts because they're less than 60 seconds. This one might be a few minutes, no big deal. Pound that like button, and I figured something out. Kind of cool. So it's an old enough board because it's basically whether you're AMD or Intel. I am sure when you see this, you'll understand how old this hardware is. And yes, I am updating it. I even have an AM3 board, chip, and RAM. I got all that stuff picked out. I think I'm going to the Athlon 2 or 64 or something like that. I have to look it back up, but when I get to that point, I will link everything from Newegg. Well, I will record the screen because I don't know how to do links in video descriptions, but I will show you through video on screen where it came from, basically. So, anyways, I'm running an AMD Cepron 3000, which I've already told you. It's running at 2 gigahertz. It says 2000 megahertz, same diff. But it's an old enough board. It has USB, but you can't just, for example, so in the boot disk or boot device priority, right here in white, I can't just go in here and, unlike normal modern PCs, you could just, if I get my finger right, first boot device, hard drive. Well, it doesn't recognize USB like it would today, so all it shows is hard drive, CD-ROM, and disabled. Well, obviously none of those are going to work. So I thought, man, I'm going to have to, like, burn this on a disk or something. But wait, I figured something out by accident. You see this option, if I can get my head out of the way, for hard drive boot priority. I wonder what that is. Let's find out. Oh my gosh, what is that? Because I'm assuming to some degree it reads flash storage, flash storage as mass storage or hardware equivalent or hard drive equivalent or however you want to word or put that. So because of that, it actually shows, if I can do this right, still new to this if it's not obvious enough already, USB HDD 0. So the basic reading my USB is a hard disk drive, which, like I said, mass storage. Imitation, Nano, Pro, whatever that is or says. But that's my flash drive. That's what's got Ubuntu on it. So I swapped them, and this menu came back. So now I can have it boot to the hard drive first, because I changed that other menu to recognize my flash drive as a hard drive. It should now boot to that instead of trying to boot to the actual hard drive. So then when I'm done and I go to back, I'll have to come back in here, switch that hard drive boot priority, flip the hard drive and the USB, and then it'll just go and do it like it's supposed to. And then I'm sure those USBs will be usable, once I get software, operating system, whatnot else, and drivers and everything else that I still got to figure out. But yeah, so I thought that was pretty cool. That I was like, wonder what that is. Lo and behold, figured it out. So stay tuned for the next one.